I'm a professional watercolor artist, and I teach at Destination Art in Torrance. Sometimes people have trouble finding us. We're over here on 1815 West 213th Street. Currently, we're exhibiting a group show called Made in the South Bay, where I'm the featured artist. Well, today I would like to invite you to come join me and the rest of the group on September 25th for our open house. It's from 1 to 5 p.m. During the middle of the open house, I'll be painting a live demonstration, and that piece will be raffled off at the end to some lucky person who is there. So you have to come be there to win.